ya prosecutor down for only
yo Yera incoming president umwade otimpenfo anim na akasa Yera chairman for ye bae ye de asumdue ene nkabomu ene bae de di kan ye se pani to akwalafo na kwalanso to panifo odaroma adwuma no ewum sanya yenyina na yedi wachi ye besere obebre fafiri soro ho na ka obia bom na woka obia bom a odi abafom ha na wo ya yenso yesuan mehu se wahase ye ba kosoa se obeye na yenyina atimi age tumi no de tosomienu em se you are afraid ejina o kan chairman for ha yensuro election ibetimi akọ election na emom mira ihia se be free soro se be free from ye de ye ni da so nyina no because yenim se de wo ye ema ye no obesan ye bio na wo nso watimi anya emema sei asa ta wachi na wa mamuwo no etimi akoso yie ye baya chairman for yade hiade pa ne se election no wo behwe na bibia etimi akoso ye ne yedi anyina ya odea ba kokura free mu a wo lose vote ye mpesa ba kokura be free mu ye rase
yo medase safo kantanka yo etoso miensa Bampon chairman chairman Luther Asare beka bibi kakra
Your Excellency and an impediment for an opay bedawasi ewo audience out there my media massem ye titia o kwa prono o ka bibi da ho wo mitrim o se obi mfa obi ho tan ento aba entiawo je koye nim no saade no minu am chama for e futu a ese di nante papa e woti hoyi ne hu nhyɛ da ni tan nanso ya hwe ye na be kriti bia ma no ye fanti tikose yankoye bibia finally e be kwatia no madam wase manwasi
pedase yo bantoma chairman fifi mensa uwiana kwami usu de yawie ade Rahman
yo we are Mr. President empenyu for Edamwase for the opportunity we the Asante awa about 2 years the whole Ghana baby din abaso bono too much yes say madaroma onempenyu for mumwa na de di anima ye be ko nyina so enye din na enkoye so be interesting ti na e be create dede ama wo hu nye dede nti wadaroma ye masumdwe no entra party na minsha
yo pedase yo Rahman ejura chairman beka bibi kakra na yewie kwame usu wade account nana Rahman
the coordinators no Your Excellency oni umpenny for inu anu chairman for Asante region constituency chairman na na pai yawa ha e baba ma wotiri nkwa ama mu eni adwuma pa Ghana yewo ahomboabo amu e beto aba 2028 inshallah senanka opposition for ye 50 say o ma ye 80% enam jo mama na mamu boninti aniti inshallah ya baba chiawo na ya disredi ampedin fon so andi to anim no eno so baye no amaye na se nyame boa so na wo batanki to wa Asante region nye ni nyina na ebetuma aka no ha ya aka no so no na Asante apia so wo ho yeta wachi medawase
yo edamase chairman for so ebedamase ene monsempa mwaka ede achire his excellency eti dache hin we de chairman for yawie ibeja akasemu na ma that's
your excellency senior chairman for eda Asante Mantem constituency 47 no ano no omonante CSM no omso mo ba idea na ye nkwanhyesem ene moni yo na omode emaw na afei so no omasan hyewbo se ekon kese na da yenim no nyame ya adom a ombeta wachi abo wachi dom na yakon nkodin ya di nkonim enti migina mpanifo his excellency anemo ene mpanifo boneti dom emamo akwa ababio esan mamo wasida PSC nso wo adwuma pa a mabo e wa Asante region e bi ata his excellency ene ni dom echi enti ensemble no media akasemu no be my coordinator honorable Collins in team campaign coordinator na on so de na no disem atuja damas.
Your Excellency, campaign coordinator, the liaison officer, you are no chairman for Mobomichidom. Your Excellency, ene eye nejida emma Asante mine chairpersons ne party ni nyina. Ene yasem yetete yebe ma odrinkwa yebe ma ohyeden yebe hye unkunai said the chairperson for ni nyina. Na me anso wakwa mefa sakwenye nso na me de aseda kese ama me mpanyimfui 47 chairperson si omda Asante nyina omayade akoma pa omodi bo ichidom ye no ye ade a eso ni papa na me nso maboma kuma mpam se mpanyimfo si etunya titani a na ebo no so ntino ade bia mahodi nim die me de bebo mu chidom se de beya ombekoso aboye chidom ma Asante man akoso ejira ho na come 2028 me wugidie se sa feku ya wo hey yeso mu yie nokre abotre nyansa nimdie opepa wo mo de bo chidom no wo mbeye ne kese pa aka ho edintino asida ena mede manu abra maba ewura onimi na makase ekono ya toato adwen de aba first one no ya toato adwen se no de nye no kra no de nimum de de nim no ena ye hwe se de yibedi nkunimu a animunyam wum na yibedi nkunimu na animunyam abemu a o se nya ahobrase ne abotre a yeru a wo ni bi abotre na yenuanom nyina nso a omukira omadwene sonko no ya hyase emu bibre ahyase a ene omukasa na me wogidie se anamuntu a omotu nene ade a mbenfo se ensu beto anopa emframa no a ebono me hu se ebeto pa kwachi ntiyera ye do wase ye de ahoden ye nyansa anim die ebeta wachi na nimdie a nyame die adua omu Asante man ehu Ghana man hu ya fam die bia wo se ye masa nimdie nyame di bi no beboa Ghana no Asante man ye beye nti me ne me mpanyimfo ye ba ya ebe ma o utinkwa kuse
yo campaign coordinator ye da se ene kasa ye be frɛ the liaison officer for the campaign honorable Nana ayu a free na ono so de na no the same atuja.
Okay, thank you so much. Excellency, na some media can make me ko ye juma ma o. And this our boss o hono ma o be ka de. I mean, me ko hwe chie man ana na ya ba be man tinkwa. Aha, inti me ji this ono mo no kasa e stronger. So we are just workmen and soldiers. But just to say, Your Excellency, we say, your chairman for we know. I don't know what the bar has said, no. Excellency, you be a chair, your man can say, "Omo done the first, your pese, your bema, utinkwa. Omanso na the first group omo endorse. I think Monday we have press conference and the true support at my excellency. But media your excellency say me ti o ma dwen a obi odo be dia go party wo mo be ha no we perform be ha no. Yes, on behalf. And their belief by virtue of the conversation on Monday was clear that they want Your Excellency to be a flag bearer who has absolute control of his party. Yes, total control. And the total control starts with Asante, the heart of the party. Until Monday, no, or press conference, and I'm kind. Musu obi or Your Excellency, words be way no months so. And they also believe that if the party has to be, if the party will win 2028 now, I was saying we cheat for omoye firm, omoye straightforward. So yes, let's see. So okoye election as all the yekodi for the okoye elections you'll be in trouble. Okoye elections now okoye short for you'll be in trouble. So by God's grace, we had chairmen among them regardless of the situation, they believe in you, and that they showed up for you, and that is why you also have a flag bearer. And also say obe show up for more. Matthias here. Yes, because in some way Benkum Jani define and then the first year they Benkum. So really they are here to congratulate you, and also for us your workmen that were Ashanti there. We have known all the people who have worked for you, and Your Excellency, many of these people who come background don't need trouble. And you know the 11 buy pension and many of the chairmen, they are so popular. And normal results Krampa show. And the campaign as it went, so because there's one single person we left the back for them in the constituency and chairman and the chairman are those we empowered when we saw say at the difficult moment some people were not straightforward. I told the chairman that you are going to be the soldiers who walk us through the valley of shadow of death. Yes, and you delivered. You did what? You delivered. It made him one dance here. Makasi baby a meji na bia na se meka mo ho asama me di ansa ya. De mehu na me ye de na me di ho dance here. Yankopon so be hira. Mu bebre yan pe pa police station no omo abeto amamo. But support the no ane ade no what I say. And the ade de edu ho no ma e was say sum be bana. Yankopon shawe na me da mu na ase. Thank you.
Yo, liaison officer Edasi. Yeto aso no a campaign nyina niti campaign chairman akunya yakun na ni odaya no campaign chairman for the campaign, the national campaign chairman, former member of parliament for Swami constituency. We call him leader, leader, Honorable Osei Mensa Bonsu. Kukrudu. Minim se ekona moko na abotumu a e ka kukrudu aze. Muntimi kan ye. Abusuafo se enyina ye pani no e wo ha. Ntini se eto asem no ma no e tenten. Beni se ka kom ye gini koku anum. Nti ono anete anye koku. Ene trodo ye gini tuam. Ano so anya tuam. I was for say mo abebo na baso o nkunimdi a wadi na senia akasa for modi kan aka no nkunimdi no so mo na ejina mo so nti megide se ono obekasa no obedamase e wo kwan sonko so odwumadi sonko a modi ede amano nti nkunimdi no ye mo chairman for mo proactivity a mo show ye ena amano aba senya yehunu senye mo dwumadi a mo soro gina ya megire se enka nkunimdi no emma senya aba no yi asase no a no decide say the campaign no senya be ya eme ha party no ntino oma emeti ne campaign teams outside the party structure nti chairman bia ye ba ye wote na se no osemedi ahye wo
one executives nsa yes obi a also want na say say ye wi a oba ye de mo kan ye nkabomu ene kroye ente sa se wa anya ne sa and obete structure be outside party no a ke wi no reconciliation in unity in Gebedin. But the man that he is, the man of impeccable character that he is, now fe no odi no kredie ene epepa any training ye adwuma no. So there be, let's not disengage my campaign from the party structure. And inti na ama nyamu ye eni ehunu sa na migiri se enu sukura no senior doctor ayi wo kano amamu ankasa so mu asan ye do o mo mpeso aso entisa and we are going to work with that senior meka ye no enipa ne bi ka se o na at the national level ne to aba ne wi ye no ne onya no previous time no eswati I see ne amon fama dwensi so ne say constituencies are awone ye edo so say chain. The first one, Obankra Haya, Yatia, 19 more constituencies, and the Twabamano, unlike Omamutuaba, Emano 2022. Till now, here no, only two constituencies, and one winning, Greater Accra. Yabaha Besha say no, on one, say, Haya say, the Yamide, Oman and Sasua, to me in our Brasi. And in anamie hunu you. About 2 years, what do you 2023 more? Now we kiki won power. Because they binu they no more no you do or die for them. They say we say be die. So they do or die for them. Then ya me eto busupa aguni de so amano. Say ya make no ni nyina we phase 1. Ya ye phase 1. Phase 2 no a beba no abusuafo. Ejina party no so mama beti ne sisi ewo constituencies no mama mamuri emfi say nanu yi amendment ayakwa no constituency constitution mu no say yes party chairman and a leader of the party meboa by extension oba region oba constituency na am leaders ho enti mu no and o say mo assist no in a very bold manner going into 2028. Until a lot of Admire no Mabetina Edigina. Chairman Bantama Ekasem Luther also can the same thing. Say kwa kono say first chapter ni over. Ebinom no kreni were misguided. Nanso ye no ye nyina ye party back. Until reconciliation in Kabuno Ejumano, Mama Yen, Mama Arian Fise, MP before Yaka and one booming in a Rieno, Crampono, our own strength, ain't mean for victory, my aim. Yes, a floating voters, Bekayon. Let's say a floating voters, let's say a fee at the constituency level, a Jadawa, Juanabeba, your party no Yakono. Party, no, it doesn't exist at the national level, it exists at the constituencies and the polling stations. Until I message them say, Papa no or the scene so say, and when we are ye be starting reconciliation efforts. A lot petty differences no or constituencies no. Na ye mo modern say ye ba obe cooperative amount want talk akrebia on yet me ye free ho. Na ye nya dom no abeta nachi. Ye nya dom na meta nachi a menua ye kan nyina be ye kwa. We need to unite solidly behind him. Senior Dr. Ayo Kanye say must have absolute command in the party and over the party. The best are amodini jinamuso. Nti besremo muna mkoye jumano. Na be edru die. Ye ambe ye monkwa. Na kwanso ni uru ankasa nche. Ewa. Nti kaneti ti hole tachuro. Asi misi hachi ya upi. Ya me odofu akwintiriwa. Ya misha mwina. Mumonse malida. Leader yadasi aburu. Ene wanu disempa. Awode ama chairman.
Mwina kwaba. Mubaidie. Ayefe. ose me mame trinkwa me me tridase damase pa na Ashanti region there mo kire do chairman mo kire se mo ye no korefo politics mo die unya obi a oye no korefo a the most precious asset in politics because your business you dada no doso and yes dada no doso enti na Ashanti region there said mu nyina munim party no na koma eda Asante region ube ye leader ewe party mo kise unya support from Ashanti and yes Asante Tawikia o chances no bright pa in 2023 said the motamiki no ye easy my because regions ni na obi etie de ekwaso Ashanti regions ni na since the other 15 regions ni na okuwe bia na sentiment say motamiki the same question everywhere me call sima sano mubisa everywhere na sentiment say omo say sentiment will be care then omo confidence it was our candidate no enti yes yes 2023 mutamechi pa na mukanchire me say what me baba biom sana mukanchire me yo mukanchire me say what me baba biom but na sabi na ete no na ye nipa enum na ye pie ye nipa enum ye nyina na obi aso na nida Asante so yes na obi ye ni nida Asante so bibi mu ka say mu free Asante by force yes mu ho ebi mu si ye tete ha yes members of parliament wona bibiana obia but na obia so nim se media mi Asante ni Asante hene ne ba prekupe esa more seriously that's it the econo na ehuhu ye hu kakra but na ye nim se de ebeko Asante region no na ohwe obi anini eda so ye kese de ye be no chairman no e kan kire me se mam me mpaba no de me baba bi sana mu kan kire me entina ye ka se campaign yi de yon fanshe constituency chairman nsa na ye de chess constituency chairman nsa e be ko yiye but se de ene you results no I buy 45 out of 47 constituencies. Massive. I mean, you didn't kunim massive win. Na echo no sano, who say the whole country so winning no 232 out of 276 constituencies. Ain't easy, but the whole process in Ashanti no said the echo no mutamiki and also I want to say this election no many lessons now about this election. Number one, MPP is not a tribalistic party. Major lesson now. And opponents no more personally bigoted party. We are not a tribally bigoted party. And these two major statements were made in Ashanti region. Intermediate because one saving party. The party has been saved by your action because the message now a call a say 2028 omuntimi use sa message no NTI across the country ebe mayen ahoden meso me pese me kai chim say the modi sa confidence no ahye me mu no me be ye adwuma no pa na me dey predict no abai ema MPP minda kura mebo ejumaden ama party na yaba power 2028 mebo ejumaden pa because mo the confidence no ahye me sa memfa power no brain te de meye morning evening night meye to bring the power to the party in 2028 eno na ye hia ye power no ti eno so kire se nkabom no wo ho a te bedi nkunim de ohwe data no a e kire se ye unity ewe yentema ye bedi nkunim because 2024 ya yenkrofo na omo ankoto aba inti yetimifa obiamba on board ye also say NDC for and yes sir it will be very clear inti ejuma ye be ye no mehia mo nyina e say na ye be share say phase 2 no akoji nkunim no na inti mepese mo nyina mo kabom na mo mboai na yentimi nko enji nkunim no na meso mepese me share mo boss say the more time chi say da mo aso meso make time chi sa dey akọ meso menja mo because minim say munti na mabetena gina high as the flag bearer of the MPP. It's because of your support. Enti meso menye mo boapaye meso make time chipa making sure say you will come back and support the party for victory in 2028 election. No, I will also support you as you go forward. Enti sa assurance no de ewo ho mamo. I don't want to mince my words, say because you have done a good job for the party. Nyame adoma, we will expect that to continue. And yes, sir, Nyame adoma, we expect that to continue. Inti we dey they say we join her. Na me kan kira mo say ejuma no is still to go forward. We are moving to 2028. We are first round, you call second round to make sure we win the power for the party. Nyamishira mo nyina medama ase.
Tom Katamanso Mpacho, His Excellency is coming. Tinidi mumwe nyina sorry now.
Yes, Mr. Way, Asante, Way, Asante, regional chairman, Ahuduo, Aomo, Asante, Mamunina, and a bu a campo at once. A cosia, Dr. Bawumia, when fear, a commanding Trinkwa, a sunshine, Nkunai, she said, they are going to work hard and seriously for the election 2028 for Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia to emerge as the winner of the 2028 election. Already, of course, if you want to be said, people are really happy. MPP is back on its own. The love for the party has come back, and people cannot wait to start working hardly, seriously, for the party called MPP and for Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia to become the president of the republic. We any the first part of the video. And I made the abrewi. Intimacy setnase. Like video no, share, comment. Unsubscribe, and now subscribe. Now don't sound so see a domano so. Said ye beya, me the video be aba and I'm a life be a ubenya notification semaba. No abe come home. Na me no nyina edi dwumadi no ahyehyɛ so. Answer beko yanim ni akasafa NDC and the John Mahama administration criminal organization hono. Ame mfanchi akakra ema dofo a wone me wo ha ye programming. Ya hu se uba na ye program na utima. It said me no nyina na ye because wo kire wadwen na makan ama na meso makama dwen na watie na ye kɔ. Ye wi apanyi Samuel ko na me chia we pa. Say good morning my beloved brother. Mama Vivian Kuma me chia ye pa mama. I say hi bro, greetings. Sa nana akua afro papa bi mama. Me chia ye pa say blessing and good afternoon. Good afternoon to you my dear. Sa bawa alasan. I say o asere sa brother Dr. Bawumia. Jabo sabio papa na friend Kennedy Japan. Abusia yaba back into the studio. Mesela say o hwemia ko Facebook. Na ko hwehwe Ras Media GH. Ewo Facebook. Na ko subscribe mama because ye me page no ye me personal Facebook profile. We named the omoye but they were able to what hack me my personal Facebook account, and after they hack me omoko post to sabio mani me man na mun sem me ankasa me personal account so, and I'm so my Facebook abroke me enti me old Ras Media Facebook page no so no me ne access biem my beautiful fry friend Ras Media GH oka obe say ya tre alon nko a na ma post to some few tens bi ube hu no nipa follow ye ntu hu na ye no a bomadana na follow me wo ho nso na yenko yanim na ya semo and this if me pray no ma hyeda wo omo mpese be ye adwuma no etie be ye abusianfo. We are back into the studio. Now I'm TV the way answer TV the way man serikesi o video ya oba be hwe man serikesi.
This year far better than MPP. We are kwasia class asem we ubeka. We Jimmy class asem we ubeka. We your craman back grandpa asem we ubeka. Ah, many with the dance say MPP and ambulance cry ni bi Ghana ambulance. Eya mo Jimmy, mo ya kwasia fo. O man no mo penny development and I say then am hwehwe. Mu JJ Rollins dia the 19 good years na Ghana to say class e koku for da Roma na MPP da Roma and san na wotime the ambulance in Ghana na we ye kwasia krampa ehia wo fe wo kwa brochiri kro bia so a omo government buses ansa na kufo beba na government bus ba kokra ye ni bi kufo na the government buses se bai bisanya nsani bia no nka kire wo ye school ni abas ne free kwasia mu kwasia.
Well, in any case, well, we're not some yamade because hey, Ghana for no yo. Hey, asobo oti ose kwasia mu kwasia. Ye pese anchichiro man nko na nim ma na asem pese mo ntwe man nko na chi. We ye ne kwasia fo sesimri ya na omokoto aba in 2024. Edema John Darikatra man. Omo nwene kete. Now, John Mahama has made every Ghanaian today is crying. Ghana ni bi esu. Anasi fu esu. Aticha fu esu. Cocoa farmers esu. Ordinary Ghanaian workers omu usu. Aboso kind anase car pass dealers. When I was daily in car spare passing, omonso omusu. Say there's so papa we be Ghana konya we sono. Everyone obibia ewo kwambi sono ohun achire wo man no. Enra. Akwabi a friend is Sadiq Adams, a former sport journalist, and a host morning show, Anjo FM. Akwa we try na do danko Akufo-Addo a cheaper in government. And their own people, Sadiq Adams, Abba Bonten say, Brana Nado te akunwa so ani ese $17, samusi 18, samusi 20. Na ufa pre mfiri Accra se ukusunwanya na ye 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ene abampapa ba mahama yi say ho enkwase ho a ye nyina ye kwa koguma yakase abampapa na waba na o so wate dollar so one o se dollar da 11.9 enti ye moyen nsem no akwa na oba ya world market on fuel prices akofoma otigana ede bone ho safo hene se ono ne nsa no adwuma ena ama petro bo akofom no sa papa no oti omanum enne na anema we nyina akofom no ufira Accra kosunanya utua 2,100 Ghana, more than 100.1% of it. 110% increment on the price of local freight. But you say dollar cost for munti kawano tum. Oh yeah. When you end this in your wako suku. When you end this in your wako suku, oye doctored. Now kita degree mpona no na ka economy asema. The obe he when ma kan chwa ni say dollar kofom. How dare you guys? Abusia. Brana na do tifo etia konwa so ye say dollar no block of ekosoro. Kana ye de wiase ye de amanfo so amanfo etia no. Na ufa pray every Accra say ukosunwanya. Na utia 1,000 Ghana. And na ukosunwanya utia 2,100 Ghana cedis. Yesi patro bo akofom. Adentia ebeba ne say. You see, Bawumia ka asembi. Ebrebi atwem. I say when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. And then this amanyo kone ejina hono. Dum so ashase e keka ne ho ba amanfo da sumu ene. Enkrofo da sumu e wo Ghana mamu na nye ntro na mi di nye bi na aka kire me. I know for a fact says dum so ashase e ba. Because fundamentals na enkrofo we di asesa exchange rate no. Enye organic. Enye duly process. Enye through the right channel. Enye artificial. Ye $2 ya begu bang na dollars aye dodo wo Ghana mamu na manfo enye bi na nebo ankosoro. But the rare problems na ewo enkurase ewo the local market num lack of employment and the cost of living in the country no there. Jimmy Fo we say they are not taking it in consideration. So all what is good and they say dollar poor akofom. And in a dollar poor akofom, but cost of living is higher. And this niba can't just say a dollar akofom. Dollar na akofom no. Sabio ne metra Ghana metra Italy hana me send 1,000 Ghana the command me say onjia. And I'm say dollar na akofom no. Sika beba we gumi ma me nsam eye ketua bi. But at the same time no, eniema na me ma me toni dada na me de 1,000 cedis kwa na me de $1,000 kwa na otuminya be say 170-150 million no. Price na no de ton niema no. Ene me de the same dollar no kwa obenya be say 110 million. but nneɛma ne boɔ no the same price. Enti maame no bɛyɛ den. Ɛwɔ tumi atotɔ nneɛma no a ohia no. Na nipa ɔno nso tɔn nneɛma no anya sika na ɔno nso atumi akɔfa nneɛma ma producer nso anya sika. Simple as simple. Wuntumi ntɔma no nyɛ yie because kwan a yɛfa so a yɛn nsa ka dollars no. Kwan a yɛn Ghana for no. Yɛfa so a yɛnya dollars no ɛde gu yɛ tutu obegu yɛ bank hɔ a ama dollar ho hia ɛwɔ Ghana man mu biem a nipa ɔmo bisa de ɔmo hwehwɛ ɔmo nsa kama ne boroso no. Deɛ tie ne sɛ metɔ me sisa me produce nneɛma so firi Ghana man am sɛ me de kɔ abɔnten akɔ akɔtɔn a me kɔkɔtɔn ba me nya mfaso because sika na me kɔgye ba yɛ no John Dariga Dramani Mahama asɛ no. Na ene, I want you to listen to me very well. For party sem eton chain. Think as a human being. That is all what you have to do. And listen to me today. I say, utie di Americano. Na wo dwene efa ho. Ema miwia Samuel, miwia Osei Anthony mi mwako abapa. Whilst you are listening to me, follow me by thinking. Abusiamfue, John Mahama can be said. Ghanaians, we have a short memory. John Mahama Transia who said, Napo, Yadrekoye, Minister of Health, a Minister of Education, and money are very successful. First time implementing what they call free education. Napo was able to lead it for it to function. He had Napo call Minister of Energy. Emma Napo Ekoye Juma, Emma Dumso vanishing from the system. But Asamba Kopen and Napo kan ya Emma Ghana for Omu free the efficiency. Temio. The competency of offending Napono. Your money iraye just because you say you're arrogant. So Mahama know how Ghanaians are. And Mahama is now selling himself to the Ghanaians. In a manner say, Ghanaians, bebreno, adrenem momnem kwana ni muntino. About the competency and the incompetency of Mahama. But they will think about the conduct as a person, interrelation with the people. When you are in Mamam for a transit, when you are in a frafra, common people, and no more training your Jumani year no, on fan chairman, America. That is what they look at. And John Dalaga has sat down and understood, say, Obeye die Ghana for the omwani wa ehu a omobo ehu abodini. And as omu hu ombebo na baso. It is already Mahama's way of governance na akwa akoye chichire hu ton buoma die. This man is a wicked man, criminal. Amabola John Mahama Ebuno. Eye buomadi o. Eye your friend packaging. Packaging something to deceive people about the rare. Just say, oh, chichira dear one shene kama. Now the other man for adrene a free dear woman kasa dear what they watch chichire home chichire numno. What do you imagine free so? That is what John Dariga Dramani Mahama is doing today in the country called Ghana. Now, let me give you one example. All of a sudden, John Mahama kwa ye and now kwa any program bia prebiano, you will see him mingle himself with the common people. Ube no koji we number. Ube huna wa fam nipa binom Ube huna oni ahemfo binom te baabi di nkomo long time na wa fam ahemfo ne na asefo. Akwasidai last akwasidai a John Mahama koye. Look at the conduct of this man. I said here, oye solo person bia and I say onye ne ho arrogance on the people. Adentia. John Dariga knew say Nanado created free education for Ghanaians. A man for Mako school free. Here Nanado nkwane ba ya within 8 years. Otimima Ghana card be successful in the country. Here Nanado nkwa ene be ye sabio aban presidenta ne breso. Yehu sasa ye betumi anya ambulances a eye Ghana for ye japade asem yare na ye ba be family a ye njimi hu. Yehu Nanado danko akufo ado abreso na yehu say he at one point 8 build about what them call 4 or 5 interchanges across the country. Estate big major road infrastructure a complete binom. But at the end of the day, Nanado was crucified. Adentia, you see, the president of the republic, Kobabi, na Ochiami Bitibabi say, on sorry in Chiano. Na Papa, sorry, I'm the president of the land, na Chiamin Sam. And on Tinu ye born Nanado, Asimium. Ghana for one minute, and you ma papa na yenina. Ya anwene yese waka asem bi de akire ohina omumpe. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo is the president of the republic. He a born national anthem. Na ohini bi te akonwa so se onsore e wo president anim. Na president kese papa sorry. E national anthem na yebo. Ghana for ni NDC for e forget about the major big project and another way no Ghana maimu nyina to me the san at the keto way targeting another say papa ni din e de kire the whole group say another ya arrogant and John Dariga Mani Mahama afa to timu say he is not going to work, not going to perform, not going to think about you, but the obayeni say okọ Jubilee House ho na okodi diamani konya ken na obobi guso we confirm no bi enyoma man confirm no bo na opia bonten eba babia wo a opa na abefam wo opa na no kasate said oye na damfo opa na no kasate said sabio woni na koto dam e oduase because oni so yes sir o Ghana no beka say hey Mahama do any papa o Mahama do a very low man no wow opa yo ni me di nkomo. Not the real argument, but the realities on the ground, the developmental agenda, ne plans. I was buying on fangu formula there. He is not thinking about it. Or say or mine. This papa when papa, I was saying Kagana for yen Jubilee House. Nanka yen tonyum non famano. Kum mahama mayen radie kum mahama mayen or say or mine no. John Mahama is the person that deserves such a music, such a song, such a sing song. Yeah, cool. Papa ni a draga rough. So all what he's doing, and then the Mahama yen and say Ghana for pe optics. The omudi omwani behu. Enti ma menye optics na mfa mo. No mo feeling in love with me as a person. Na asie no na me twa won. Na me twe won. Miya be ma. Dear na asia. Mr. Mafu meka de me nyina me be church mu. Yewura Mahama ti opposition. Mahama was telling Ghanaians, say, duties on importations. So wako kraniema. Edi free baby bano bedru port no. sika na ye gi free importers ho no ne boa edren toto enti ono John Dariga Dramani Mahama so timi bedi akonwa a obete so miya bema didim dim obi a ukotra oppositioner we hear all manner of conferences of importation dues ahodoa ose uba obetwam John Dariga Baya ose enkrofo omode spare parts frama no ne ba no omo value added tax no which is VAT no VAT no wabe pushi at the core 20%. Pachote miye pa. Pachote asem na America na pa. Pachote me. Papa na otia bontena o se enema bo ayeden. Yakofa enema se di framano ne ba ne bo edren. Entien to abamane ma ono emra no. Papa ne ba ya de obeye ye nyina ne se ode spare parts the value added tax ya de to so no ono be push the 20%. What's what did to actually one will say papa no I didn't to actually my channel because I no crepa say Uba and say Oba ama importers. One hour didn't near my frama no neba. Omuwa hen wa. Kenyan say Oba say would the VAT no echo 20%. But that the same mahama was on radios, on TVs, on all type of media platforms. Now they don't can say. Na do danko akufuado aban eye nipa bi anitima edene na taxes ne VAT odi ama importers spare parts dealers no ano edren dodo enti aboso kanfo eni Kumasi magazine fo omonkoto abamfa mo no John Dariga Dramani Mahama na se oba obete so oba ya oba betum oba ya oba betum. We are a big disgrace to the NDC. They should be ashamed of themselves. Ako before. Tabi amede ameka. Me so mu ya ko before to the sense say anything they take it too much political. Oh we no VAT no. Yeah, they got 20% for importers. Now Mokai garam say now no yakwakoye investigation in here. Yakoye investigation. Ewo garam say a juma bia e koso. Ewo amansie central yenkwane nkonkonkotia NDC AFN Emmanuel Obin Ajimai onu momati sabio tax force omunna muremu a chamfine machines ye galamsey no ye charge won 3,000 Ghana cedis excavators 30 Ghana cedis why you receipt atoso hey DC I was like a video na shema me nko yani pacho temi ye pa DC ya na ban ene ti akonwam DC ya ono ankasa nim se sabio na ban ahye Ghana for se oba na waba ba ye dan na waba betwitwa age Ghana for DC ya onim se de tie no eye na ban amamu obebuo no ne promises our promise no ene na wo so mo deliver sa DC krona no ase atwa ne ho ayo no ankasa ne personal receipt ya onante de ko sabio on the Galamsey site no akwaji chan fine for sika 3,000 na waji of anything excavator mutu and a team from no waji omonso 30,000 where the kobabi ade we ye the kobabi man ye promising to solve an issue and then I bet turning into I am the one directly involved. And then cobra adani tea any bread ready to drink. And yeah, nonko. Galamsey na ji hini okronum. Galamsey no ababeye the only sources of income e okronum. Ni nyina ne se ye wa ban wo ho a obaye na ye wo PMMC fo wo ho nanso no enam no kura abo NDC fo se junso abo akokọ ene akohwie nti no they had to name something else called Ghana Cocoa Board the oyo nyina ne se otogo de free Galamsey fo because the big mining site big mining companies no omonton omu gold emfama NDC aban. And the NDC is in the bed with the Galamseyers, and at the same time telling Ghanaians on microphones who said they are going to fight against Galamsey. Obeye den wa hohoro nsa ho abra won sa shade no. Obeye den na wa hohoro nsa afiri ade mu. Wa hohoro nsa ho e wa ade e wo nsa ho abra won nsa no ehye ade no mu. That is what the NDC is now doing. And I can't say me na me shift to call baby. The entire way you know say John Mahama na buying here good or mobeton e dia kwaye den e dia ko save dollar no because the dollar issue no me can say Mahama he wants only to perform with optics. Because I want to say the Ghana for pay. And it's say Nanadu ye say Mahama de why in ye. Or they don't have new idea. Listen to me well. And this if one day I dream full be on Monday kwaya idea be now when your mark criticize you almost say I deal with one year. What they do, they say MPP are in the no more but no more bitch now so they are going to do it better. Nagana for this ye ne agiatum. And whatever NDC is doing today, Yaton Aquacoton Ghana about 50% of our gold reserve. Ede dollar, ede begu our economy no. This is happening because John Mahama himself John Mahama ni Muse said the dollar si cost through the bino said the dollar see a course through the bino. Say ne ye kese dollar tiaba foba and sound do good magana for. And you know, John Mahama is doing everything that he can do to make sure say dollar no ebe jina 10 and 11. And to say galam say for na best say Ghana and sa sinyina. Edia too good akoto ama or no na kwada boy sami jamfi mo akoton na omudi ababegu omudi dollar sebegu o mainum ama dollar na tena 10 11. John Mahama is ready to do it. So I will say on ton some of Ghanaians, especially the Nkwasi for 60 million, 6 million for no. Say ban say also on ton bia. Mahama is ready to do it because John Mahama is now only looking at the octaves. You see all the promises that they made, and now me not hear ye can say. Big push in a way. Big push. Sa big push na Mahama so akofa sika begu ho say twem. Big push e kosi say. Ofankon kwa nsawam road a na nado sha ase a yaboni din se onya wiye no ene sa ka akwan no ena John Mahama de nani edi a kire say ene ne ye big push agenda. A big push for mu omo adwuma omo ye no. Nsawam ofanko road o. Nsawam ofanko road a ye sha ase 2021. Ye fande ye omo sha ase tutu ka akwan no so baabi mpugugu ko tare o baabi omunya nwiye no. Ene Mahama say in 1 year that Nsawam ofanko road no eyo no Mahama ni legacy under the big push agenda. The man is a thief and the man is a thief. Waton kwasi afo bloggers ahodo. Ena omonam. Ena mutwa videos ahodo. Ena omo eye den. Ede credit John Mahama. Ena ono so the team yaman ne de. Ena otiba bi ote. Enti ene sa DC oyo dahoyi Emmanuel Oben Ajimana oye NDC ni ote ne constituency ho. Ewo Amensia Central ono no ye galamsey yen kan se tankers. Miwia Augustine yebo amemo akwaba. Papa oyo to hoyi oye galamsey tankers ono ne kono kote receipt edema galamsey fo ji hu sika. Oye DC ni oye district as a district one why ono ne to yo na we na nado te akonwa so na NDC fo na papa ya frimpon se fesem kwa me frimpon se fe ne hwan frimpon se boatin so so MPP ni wakwa report the western region is completely owned by the NDC and their galamsey campaigns. Obaya usi yanko na nadu fie na nadu momne tu galamsey abra na unim se the western region any central region but be a go to tona jidin no it is owned by the NDC but to be trantro just because you were bitter. And this is the reality. DC your NDC ni ono no eti good. Go to yes o to be o. Ono there. Inside of him say ko be protecting sase no. Amagaram say no. Enkoso no. He was rather giving the land to the people by receipt or by no more receipt. Now dim kwa asem wura no. Na nipa we ye wo DC ya. District Chief Executive way so oye wu DC ya ono ne oye the president in that matter in your district sa nkurasini way animguasini way what can he do for you? Ninyina say Mahama has commanded his people to make more galamsey flow. Mahama has recommended his people to make more garamsey fro. So that be obenye sika na odi aiden. Odi akoji dollars. Ama dollars wate. Na no na men kind book bi. And okay, your book, no a newspaper be. We are some man say muhababia. Baby obekobia ne dollar ho odna perform. Baby obekobia. Anywhere that you go today, the rate of dollars, cost of dollar in every currency in this world, and then perform. But it is only the useless NDC. And a bit to me assess the whole half of your Ghana gold reserve to sell them just to keep your cedis from 14 to 12 Ghana cedis per $1. And you was here. Interview the women here.
Ombejina omuli dede na salary na eyom se obi be kan bia ma omo ana se den ombejina on na salary na eyom se obi be kan bia ma mo ajimi papa muti krom ha na mo ye adwuma for 3 good years na mahama say mahama ye o otu ya muka only 3 months then amuhu sa na ma we so na ejina na mkoto abati anu 2016 nti then amusa hu won hu bi ma musa nkoto abama mo se mo ajimi na nka teacher ni so the short memory fa ho ben teacher ni a wo kire akwalade na enena ni refi kura ugwa anu na nka wo short memory fa ho ben afi na mugu social media nti mani nwu mu ho nso mani nsan hu won abegina social media na ado time onye kura pa na allowance de kwase ya wole kasa no kasa ye na mpemfo no hu se mani abre wasan abegina na mahama ye na ado ye ade kura ye aketu ade won se mo ajimi won se mo kan ho na mpemfo no fa mo serious Oma ya ade na enyi na oba be kan obe yiwa kume mu aka no kore no a kire won no mahu no obe gina na ado time no ya ade won se mo ajimi obe bresa na mo duabo no so obi ani obe dane ama mo na me chairman ba afuka no duabo bi wo wa na obo hu enye obi na be boss adua no wa na obe bo hu sa adua no na mo be suffer so more 4 years way it go be long for you people.
Viewers, apologize.
Me no muso namba. Yanto asona yenko yanim. Enti DC no ono ene de oyo ene se o mamanfo ayeden etu gold. Illegally with galamsey manner. Na yanto asona yenko yanim na yentwitwa ne ma so short. Obi ebisa se adentia ene MPP aban. Sorry, MPP point for any MPP communicators, political communicators, and commentators. Ye kasafa Ghana koko akuafo a yentua wonka ho. 1 die dikan me mabusiamfo bebre eye akuafo. Mabusiamfo bebre so eye koko akuafo. Me namfo bebre nso ye koko akuafo. Saa na Ghana man na ye wom no. MPP ni o, NDC ni o. Wabusiamfo na onamfo bi mo ye akuafo mo ye koko akuafo ankasa. Enti sa asema to wona ato ye nso. In fact, the last Christmas, the pressure was hard. A man for here sika. Adentia, Ghana koko akuafo yentua wonka. Na eye bibintia eya na ama yemu bunum ya jiga. Brana na ando te akonwa so. Papa ya no ye finance minister ti asem bi okai.
Inti abana agba na mbom da mabani di ni tirimi ye zendodo. Da mabani ondwene kwafo mo ho. Da mepa da meka kira mo ide. President Mahama se menka kira mo de. Oy nyame na duma NDC baba bem. Na ye ba bem akoko no ye botum papa bi ma akoma atomo yem. Na Inye de yeru tumu keke. Fertilizer and yedebe bio yebama mu free. Cocoa akwan yebotwa ne free. Spray yedebama mu free. Yedemomba boko school so aka ho. Adi bi osafa tebi o de ye bia yebe ya ma cocoa kwafo. Osanda Ghana enye Ghana. Ghana be Ghana ofi cocoa. Na ansa ne yebeba be me fitinde kop me time oboto aba. NDC MPs. Meda ya meda wano. Ye pede ye shamo bode ye bokodo na yakon ama mo 15 million na abadoro fa no what mo ada abramo ye bokon ama mo ibina mo amo ndihye King Solomon erikopoku wa baba ka kire mo ha no ize oye na hyese da wa ka kire bia ye beye na ye da atuada ama mo
mpacha wote asema to force nkan ye asema to force nkan ye ni ato force into opposition asema okan ye no se oba no aba betu kokom otu koko no mu wi a obasia to fertilizer edem koko akuafo na the koko akuafo ma ko school for free obeyi koko akwan for free hope lucky this time you were few moments later ewo abusia for few moments later Tigana koko akuafo nsema omo and this is there should be a shame. Few moments later, listen to what Ghana cocoa farmers are saying.
Operative, Mayor President. Now, if he said, "Near chum, ye who near baby da," say me mediate 1 year, and so me say you man na be say me need me be a mayor. Eti me ye ku adwuma na makoto mi koko na abusome nan untu ameka e de na opese me abrewa midi se adwuma be na me ye na me eti me slaban ade se de na de tumi ya pani chaw o ka se bra twam no beto koko no sister wanye kakra ni aduma ye de yaje atom na kakra yaje atom so na wo fe sika yi mayen na ye be ni nti ade se de ani ye de to aben ye sre no Yes, Rano. Oh, Yamaya, no, come dear, your matitifie. Your matitifie, me nana, atitifie. 7 years ago, man, I know I call. It's a me slab and some panit so. Media class with the Yami panit so. Well, we are not going to no, yes, you cannot. She a clamaya, what? Yeah, for work. Never to me, I don't. Me to me, not. Who could have been here or so called it's 1 meadow. And no, mahama ba kono yesi 120 mimi wo bi na me dia akoye eti ade srade ani ade to ani kit ani kitame no mo hwe so a obie ni wa ye ebie ni wa yatuaka ni nyina e wo kam sese me wo faase a me hwe no otifie o cover city otifie sika ni wa me de ma akola ne de akọ eti e besra aban si sika no November. November. And a war so no. Monhe. Yashise. November. Ani aye. Eti esra ba no. Yesika no on fe ma yen. Esanse ye ni dwuma bia di o. Ye nkura na ase ha ye wo no. Ye dwuma ni koko. Nyame animu ni abandada wo free so no. Obeto ye koko mu. Ema ye se dollar wo soro. Enso ni yetumi to niema edi ye ho ye ma school fees ni ye say ye nya ene mass prayer ni ye no ye nya biem ene wo koto aduro akobo okoko a baako 150 200 ene sika na ye di ni ye di ato aduro no ye nya ame ye koko no say akate no ese ya na omo say koko no ti ye besra aban say won kai say ye nso ye nipa omo te ho ana omo de omu didi enom Yansu ye nya bi ani yedi anom ye ne ema ene ye wo faase nom ye sere omo nkai se omo agye yen omo ba bedada yen wo beto obi to koko e ma ye 3100 mosi mo be ma 6000 obi se 7000 ye ni agye am yakoto aba amamo ene koko the price amode to so e be kan ho no e 500 cedis ana amode be kan ho ana ko 36000 3600 eno so a mutumi ntua se modi asi wo se ada se ye beti koko so ana ye beto so me ye ma meto kwa me nkroma wo mo a me beto wo mo ye papa Lawrence no mo twam o mampanin kufo no na nado atamel so no koko a ye beto so no ye ti se ya ti koko so da eti on hwe ye
na wanti koko no so na emomu ba bia sika ne hye no omkofa ye sika ya metua ye ka ne ye ma ye wo faase ne ye nanan mo no yintumi hwe om school ni bi na ba bia omo hye no omo nso ye ma no atumi akoduru hobi na daase ye nso ye nye ye kamafo nti ye besere mo ma ye John mama esedu nkatia Randy Abi o ye sports minister and na wo se wona o ye koko board chief executive wo koko kura woni wuram ane wahu koko ane ye de wa beto so and hwe ba bia modi aba ba wie ti esere wom amomfi esika ma ye eno ne ye hwehwe awuni ye no ne kura nyame anim odi hwamo ayem ko wodi hwamo odi kwafo nyina hwamo na sesa no be ye ne dia ya kwafo na kansa ne kokko kwafo no ye kokko no asase no ye de mama galamsefo don't to because that's kind of mood since this called my no and sana is ten year fire again say ye ne mahama ana ye ne abane nyina no ye ntan kokko ye kokko fo biom ye beton ye ma nyina ma galamsefo ya asase no
if in November nda utiwe mato koko $250 aminye scam me sorry farmers need to me hosa my age for 20 years me witness we before say ya to koko pa na aban tuaka eye me wanwa amanfo tata me mitimi nda honorable me sira me bukoto de pa chew famasem we ko parliament na ko kama me na aban en release scam me company na mo so first can mam na me ntua me farmers no sane omo ye no omo high 15 November koko $1,000 ana me dia call me LBC muntu ameka misira wa
baba se adwuma baya na abetimi aye enso ya ire ho se ye beye kua ade ahwe ye daache ade ahwe ye ma daache ye ma ko school no ma ba fie me ka kire ko school pass eno abetra fie o se ma e ko mo de me me ba mu se wa fon e ko mo de no sika nyina kakam ede ne ye nye mahama dada ye se uyo kokko kuani a se wa asase so akodo bi ka ho dua kokko na no so oye twamene opeso dada ye ti o sheda yes ano ene ya donfo ye dua kokko opeso obetua ye ka ada na oye sa so ne yire ne ma omu didi na denti na oma ye ho kire ye akuafo ye ho kire ye nia oye no ohwe ye esansa enipa ya no enhira wom enum ye wom ohwe ne ya anome no esansa abufo traso edenum ye eba se o be ya adwuma na edu anwum na wo se unya aduane di no na wo ye fukwan na wakoda na wo ma na o mada o ma nu so na o mada ada na o yesa na se nanado enya nanado nyame o hira no na o ma ne nyincha esansa na odi akuafo ho nanado kasa se do ne akuafo be kasa no na wakoma kura to yam tama no tua 3001 no na ye penisa esansa ebi ankam wanada yan tese wantete yan na bom omaye nkuransha sanko no na da so waso a anka ye du akire osina nado eda akuafo onu mo no oyo dadafo eti so opesa ye body di mpa wasesa ne suban
wajami nkolenum ba akoko pass osema come dem wa befie ba ko won kran ko be to school minya stand to school fees 50 December ye be school on call otifie wo ma wa adwuma nyina aye basa mo hwe me sanki to ai na mdi do ko ase na mdi ye sei abafum sa abre me sika nyina akamu ampo mra na ado ho oye bru ni mayen oto edro mayen sese ni nyina aboyen no kwatam sa mko hwe mi koko na mo wura ba ho man spring aboyen okunafo na misika nso akam and what am I be am digina one country and say yes no over yesi camera ye ni afa antwa ye ma na ye mobo
ma e wo school I say teacher school fees ni ade the baba ko be ko form try so ya practical sika sam nyina akoka PC for no home nyes kan ye dey en fe ma ye ntini abane dey affect ye nyina kuafo nyina kan ye nyina e bodi hu dwuma ama abanya aso ate say e kana omode ye no ye hia ye sika na ye dey hwe ye ma wo school a nke be boy pa.
Is it say no man omo school just say so omo ofia na someone
ba ko pele metmenya sika ama na kono ko bo besia na wo ko nua no ko besia akra na no so e dan obi na be de no benya bi e de ama wo nti akwa ho chemu pa nti me ma mienu kwa do mo ofie ba ko pele metna ma no ko school
na on
yes and the so tie nsem na ekoso na nsem na no edino from promising we are going to pay you more to yen sika de betua moka. Also asem no wedne pa. Na adisi pa. Na meka no nkrofo no me akromfo. Aye. Agostine Yabo, see the guy is saying the truth. Nkrofo no me akromfo. Ene you see the government spokesperson Mr. $700 million. Say 217 so say saying Onjino Fanko press conference. And then Obejina Bonten say Oba Beyi Hakrofo a comedian so. What to Nipaniko Tianeka press conference ye de kohe. Now me pese na yon couldn't konkoti. Asama Felis Ofosu so Felis Owusu se Felis Ofosu kwache. Eba be catch the Ghana kuafo ene awie. Udi ti asema papa kai. Udi obi kai se betuama no. Listen to what they are saying.
Just concluded a lengthy cabinet meeting, which was an emergency session that discussed the cocoa sector and matters arising there. And at the end of the emergency session, decisive measures have been agreed upon regarding expedited payments of cocoa farmers, regarding the implementation of the most drastic reforms in the cocoa sector, with a view to achieving quantum leaps in domestic processing of cocoa as opposed to exports of raw materials, and various reforms to be carried out at Cocoa Board in order to ensure more effective administration and management of the cocoa sector. Now at 11 a.m. tomorrow, the finance minister will address the people of Ghana and announce these far-reaching measures as agreed upon at the end of the cabinet meeting today. So that is what I have for you right now. If you have any questions, I can take it. But tomorrow, 11 a.m., meet the finance minister here for a comprehensive briefing on all the measures that have been agreed upon.
Ya tonye koko amount. Branabetie koko sikama yena. And at the press conference, measures and amwateki. Na ya Ghana for. Yen Ghana for ye yan ye pe. Yan ye pe. Ya tonye koko diama enkurasifo yo mo promises say they were going to pay more no. And then about a press conference, we are taking measure. Yes, I say, because we are for any pure mokano. Now they were defending saying, no correct. And then what happened? And then the Maba Bontin say, no correct. I feel the Majiatum. I feel the Mousa Maye. What the Ghana for Mabone. I feel the Mousa we are for much you wanna do. We are taking measurement. We need solution and no more measurement. For sikana break we are for no so omu enye sika eni di no mo hwe omba. Na ya titi se randiabe akwawe the arrogance of power abanimu. Sese ya maame no esu a omunye sika yentua wonka omukoko omo aton no. Randy Abe to new cars the Magana Cocoa Board enkrofo we akurasifo we no we Randy Abe we. Bosumi bia ojini pay. Pay na ojino. Eye cocoa akuafo no sika na ye tibidi tua ne ka o. Enso bosumi bia no ojina katua. Notwithstanding, was saying Gusua all to talk cars and mono edema a jomu hofo. Edi kan catch them say, a jumaya fono mo money akwa ye jumano. Omoye NDC form kwada omuni majuma. Empenfo mo ye juma Ghana Cocoa Board wache. Omo nim die, omo nyansa. Ewo Ghana Cocoa Board juma ni yem no. Papa we ya pam wo nyina de wo nyina kwa kogu fie ɛna wasesa NDC fo nkora omunim kwan ya fa so a ye popa ye to ɛde wɔn abegu office hɔ ɛna omunhu de ɔmonyɛ ɛne na ama de esi ekobisa papa wo sɛ adenti a wuntumi ntua Ghana kokɔ akuafoɔ ka na mmomu gu so tɔ ka asema papa no bɛka ne sɛ cars na ɔmo no say you can't tell us not to buy new cars. Untumi nka nkyerɛ sɛ ma yɛ ntɔm cars mono. Ɛnam sɛ Ghana kokɔ akuafoɔ yɛntua wɔn ka. Ɔsɛ untumi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ ma yɛ ntɔ car mono because sɛ yɛntua Ghana kokɔ akuafoɔ ka. Ɔsɛ Ghana kokɔ akuafoɔ no ni ɔmo hia sika nso ɔmo de bɛyɛ dan. Ɔmo de bɛsesa wɔn hyɛbrɛ ɛwɔ abrabom. Na ɔsan so kyerɛ sɛ saa nso na ɔmo nso Ghana Cocoa board for no. Amuso muhia cars mono. Said the baya or more juma moyano. Ambutumian ye. Wow, JJJ. This is the CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board. Papa, your friend, my Randy, journalist. Good morning, Ghana show a pay. Or say cars no better. Said that we are phoning here sika. Eddie Assassin Moshe Breno. Sano no so Randy Abbey. Ohia ka mono no dia ye na dwuma oye nti emfa ho se wona na wadi 81 years ye ntua woka enya na asem kura he don't care about you so what we any the resetting agenda yakwa e dia bere ye abegu ye so na asem foforo so asi ene tamale hey yatwas
Kalamba in the
yatwas asem foforo so asi ne se ena me no kasa tamale fo omunya nsuo nom nana danko kufu ado nyankopon hira wo ba bi owo papa nana ado nyame hira wo nana ado danko akufu ado nyankopon o hira wo yie ene tamale ensuo ni ho mbenom henkura yo mo hunye wa reho John Mahama John Dariga Mani Mahama your own people are suffering, your own people have no water to drink. Your own people cannot do nothing. John Dariga Mani Mahama, go back to Tamale and solve the water problem for your people. Listen to this video.
Tamale Metropolis are up in arms over the worsening water crisis in their area. With drums, buckets, gallons, among others, they besieged the Ghana Water Company Limited this morning protesting. They said they have not had water in their area for the past 4 years. The residents said the situation is getting desperate, especially with Ramadan around the corner. They said they struggle each day when it comes to water. They are asking the Ghana Water Company Limited to fix the situation. They also allege that staff of the Ghana Water Company owe water tankers to sell water, reasons they keep locking the pipes.
We are not able to get intimate with our husbands due to the water crisis. Our children no longer go to school. Water does not flow from our taps, but they sell water from their tankers. We are all human beings and this is not fair. For several months now, we cannot remember the last time we got water from our taps.
They said they would react, but we will come back if they don't. For years, they have not given us water, but they come to read our meters and serve us bills. They should not do that again if you won't get water.
The Ghana Water Company Limited at the time of this report were in a crunch meeting. The chief manager of the company, Stephen Amehemensa, said Salamba and its environment has always been a concern. He's been responding to the issues raised.
Yes, interview Mahama hope no, and Tamale for Yansu no. ensu atamade be no ma ya asem we wan kasa wani ehu bi ni kromo ba bi ofiri bole bamboy northern region common water munye bi no mo ano na hey oh no eya na me pese me mo video we
yo na teachers for say be jina li dede na salary na mo say obi be kan bi ama omo ana say den be jina na salary na mo say obi be kan bi ama mo Jimmy papa muti kromo hana mu ye adwuma for 3 good years na mahama say mahama yo
this year far better than MPP. We are Kwasia class as him we beka. We Jimmy class as him we beka. We are Kraman back grandpa as him we beka. Ah, many with the dance say MPP and ambulance cry ni bi Ghana ambulance. Eya mo Jimmy, mo ye Kwasia fo. O man no mo penny development and I say then am hwehwe. JJ Rollins said the 19 good years. Not Ghana to say grassy. A cook for the Roman, MPP at the Roman, and son, I want to the ambulance in Ghana. Now we are Passia Crampa. And here we fair. Moka Brotru Krobia, so more government buses. And son, I could for the government bus back. Kufona the government buses by. Bisenya nseni bia non country we school ni abas ne free kwasie mu kwasia
on say on sound better abobo so akire we how can you say the NDC is better than the MPP akohwi fo nko a pe ene ti asema ekoso NDC amanyu komite
Are you okay?
And the NDC's full soldiers to me Nantiko NHIS for office. Ekotum. Hey, Asemo. Hey, Ansembere. NDC for to me Nantiko NHIS for office. National Health Insurance Office. Ekotum adentia. Almost appointment now a buying a boy, Omunya da call. See video way.
Everybody's out. Confirm. If you like be inside, you will love be inside. Okay, this one. I'll go load the make it. No, go load the make it. Everybody come out.
It's recording. No.
You are not listening.
Your national security is
when I saw you, you were Mr. You
Lock out.
You see the local area? See him. Cut down. The best way guys make him cut down. Without 10, come again. Round 2.
Hey, yeah. I understand. But the buffer haven't after 1 year, after 1 year in government, after 1 year in government, NDC for still are running across government agencies. Omodi omo penny omo to me to a government agency sim adentia omo one point and crofo omo no ni momo. After 1 year, still say the woman and to trafonia kuhifona yasi saw mono maba beye party odi mine name. And any ene. Oh, I'll try a cook. Now, media me do besia. Now, Yanko Pompa or China I don't know if someone want to call. Let me put my number here. And whilst the number is there, I'm waiting for call. Let me play this video. After that, I'll end here.
This year far better than MPP. We are Pasia assassin we Ubeka. What Jimmy Class assassin we Ubeka. We are Kraman back, Grandpa assassin we Ubeka. Ah, many with the dance say MPP and ambulance crying in Ghana. Ambulance. I am with Jimmy, we are Pasia for. Or my no more penny development. And I said, then I'm JJ Rollins the 19 good years. Not Ghana to say classy. A cook for the Roman, MPP at the Roman, and son, I want to make the ambulance in Ghana. Now we are Pasia Grandpa. And here we fair. Oka Brochiru Krobia, so more government buses. And son, I could for the government bus back. Could the government buses by Bisanya Senibian on country. We school near bus and free Pasia.
Yes, observe for I think say me the mobile ebesi hanum na ochna nkopom boy assign Asia. But I want to greet my followers and my supporters. I me den chiake sie Emma Miriam Augustine Yaboa Miriam Osei Anthony Ana Akuya Afro Mame Afro Michelle Yepa me kate ko na call you back Ena Bawa Alasa Michelle Yepa me ma me Vivian Kuma Michelle pa da wase ena me panyin samono kuno Michelle pa eda wase ye abusianfo atin se me demo ebesi ha na ochna Yankopon pa ya sign ehia mu biem ewo channel we aso me din yani Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH on YouTube sanso ne Ras Media GH on Facebook utimi hwe ewo Facebook Ras Media GH na we do support abe support to yen ewo makra mu nyina me da mu nyina ase ye be sign ehia biem until we meet again adios.